How to fix YouTube search history not showing. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to fix your YouTube search history that is not showing. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Update YouTube. On your phone, go to Play Store. Search for YouTube. If it shows that your app is not updated, simply tap on the update button right here. Step 2. Clear data. Go to your phone settings and proceed to your apps. Find YouTube and select Clear Data. Afterwards, restart your phone. Once your device is on again, try opening your YouTube app and sign in. If any of these solutions do not work, then the problem might be on YouTube's end. You may go ahead and send them a report so they can review and fix the issue. And that's it! That is how you fix YouTube search history not showing. We hope this video is helpful, and if it will help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!